You already out here at the Ford dealership. Wonder what they want for this. It's a diesel too. I don't think they have a price. This shit is hard. Fucking with that two-tone heavy. Doesn't have a price though. Oh shit, it's a King Ranch. I was gonna say it's a King Ranch. Yo, I'm telling you right now, they better clean that shit up before fucking someone buys it. Or throw a price tag on that shit. You gotta clean that shit up. Bruh. See how much it went with a dirty ass tag. Oh, it doesn't have a price. Bruh. Dude, has 122,000 miles. And it's a 2017. Damn, I wish they posted a price so I could rip them. It's gonna be something silly. I would never buy this. They would have to give this to me. So it's 5 years old with 122,000 miles. With the way inflation is and everything, and it's a King Ranch F350, I'm gonna say that they want minimum 55,000 with inflation. And for 55,000, you could get those dirty ass exhaust pipes. Look at the mileage. 122K. Where the fuck were these people driving? Across country? Yo, how do you have a truck on the lot with that, like, just being dirty like that, dude? Straight gross. Damn. Who the hell is coming here to buy a truck at 5 years old with 100 and almost 30,000 miles? They wildin'.